Hello kids, welcome to our channel. In this video, let's learn together 2D shapes. Let's start the video kids. Heart, where is heart? This is the red color heart. Triangle, where is triangle? Triangle. Where is rhombus? Rhombus. Next, where is circle? Where is vowel? This is vowel. This is hexagon. Where is hexagon? This is hexagon. Semicircle. Where is semicircle? This is semicircle. Where is trapezoid? Trapezoid. This is trapezoid. This is quatrefoil. Where is quatrefoil? This is quatrefoil. Where is diamond? This is diamond. Where is cross? This is cross. Where is rectangle? This is rectangle. Where is pentagon? This is pentagon. Where is octagon? This is octagon. Where is star? This is star. Where is square? This is square. Let's revise. Red color heart. Yellow color triangle. Dark blue color rhombus. Light blue color circle. Dark blue color vowel. Light blue color hexagon. Red color semicircle. Yellow color trapezoid. Yellow color quatrefoil. Red color diamond. Light blue color cross. Dark blue color rectangle. Light blue color pentagon. Dark blue color octagon. Yellow color star. Red color square. Okay kids, this is 2D shapes. Please like, share and subscribe. See you in next video.